Honorable Minister, we have in the past advised members not to bring any drinking stuff except those that is served by the service officers. Honorable members, do not do that. Okay.
But you must ask her to live with that greenish substance because we don't know what is in there. Please, you must ask her to live with it.
Honorable
Because you
member.
have asked in the past the others to leave, so she must do the same. She's not immune to the rules of the house. Yes, you have done it.
Honorable member, please take your seat and stop telling me what rulings to make in future. Allow me to make the rulings, please.
Deputy Speaker,
Please. Yes,
on a point of order,
yes.
I think you need to be consistent because the other day you were very harsh with me in a cool drink and you chased me out. You must give her the same treatment.
Honorable Van Merwe, Honorable, please, hold on. Honorable Van Member, you were sitting next to your whip, next to your seat, and you never went out. Yes, you never went out. Honorable Member, please remember, from the whip, you went to your seat where your drink was and you never left. That's out of order. Honorable members, please mind the truth. It's always useful to be accurate and so on. Even if you think it's not to your advantage, say it. It liberates you. Absolutely, even if it pisses you off.
Point of order.
Honorable members,
Deputy Speaker,
as we have suggested.
Deputy Speaker, on a point of order, sir,
Yes.
language should always be, the example should be set from the chair.
Yes.
I would submit that the word that you've used is unparliamentary.
Which one?
I don't want to repeat it because I don't want to be guilty of the same transgression. But it starts with a P and ends with an S. It has to do with urination.
No. Honorable members, that word, no, it means it makes you angry, it makes you mad.